Hello everybody, my name is Jarek. Welcome to my YouTube channel, WOLFHOWL. Today I'm visiting a beautiful alligator farm that is located in Everglades Park here in South Florida. This is a great place to see many animals, including alligators, which is the biggest attraction here. I hope you're gonna enjoy this place. Thank you very much for your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise.
no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone?